Hey guys, today we're looking at the Masterdam 4-piece herb grinder. These ones come in a matte finish, and these are made with a super strong magnet. Easy open and close. And the teeth are very sharp, so you can fluff and grind your herb with ease. So your herb will get grinded through this section and collect in this compartment right here, and you'll notice the micron screen, which collects the pollen in the base chamber. And here is the base chamber. And each of these grinders come with a little mini scraper for collecting pollen. It also comes in a variety of colors. Thanks for watching. You can find our variety of grinders and stash shield jars on the Masterdam website or Amazon.com.